What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today is day 7 of Vlogmas. My name is Taylor. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to pop on here and say hi and do a little intro. Today's video is just going to be an at-home leg workout. Nothing crazy. Tomorrow I'll be doing a full day, so hopefully you guys check that one out. And hopefully you've been enjoying this little Vlogmas for me. Just kind of wanted to pop on and chat for a minute before my workout. So I made a post the other day about kind of feeling a bit sad about not being in the gym, and I was definitely in a little bit of a rut. I'm happy I'm doing Vlogmas because I think that that's been keeping me pretty occupied and sane, to be completely honest, but definitely have been feeling like a little bit down, and I think it's because I haven't been in the gym, and I feel like a lot of people have been struggling with this, and some people have been messaging me since I made the post and being like, you know, totally relatable, and I appreciate those messages because it makes me feel like I'm not alone. So yeah, I was feeling like a little bit out of sorts. Obviously not working as much and whatnot has me kind of, you know, at home, but I have still been doing work, and like my client stuff hasn't changed, and my work with my sister on our online businesses haven't changed, so things are still busy for me, but for whatever reason I just haven't been feeling like myself the last few days. And I basically started journaling about it because I was like, hey, something's up, like what's going on? And I was like, you know what, I think it's because I'm out of the gym. So I talked about it in my journal, which is weird, but like I talked about it, I wrote it down, and I immediately was kind of mad at myself. So basically the post was about me feeling guilty initially. You guys can definitely go check it out if you want. I'll put my Instagram down below for you, but I basically just went over how initially when I wrote in my journal I felt guilty for not being grateful for the equipment that I have at home, or being able to get outside and do my cardio, and like, you know, for being negative. And then I realized that I'm not being negative, I'm feeling my emotions. I do miss the gym, it is my happy place. It is normal for me to feel out of sorts because I haven't been there in a while, and I guess I just, after writing it down and like acknowledging my feelings, realized that it's okay to feel that way. So if you are feeling that way too, or you're feeling like you're in a little bit of a rut, or you need to take a day here and there, that's totally okay. The only advice I like to give is acknowledge your feelings, accept them, but move forward. Acknowledge things you can change, accept the things you can't change. So for me, it's kind of like, yeah, I have my sad little moment, and I do have them here and there, and I definitely had some moments today too after I made the post, but I know when enough is enough, and I'm like, all right, well, I still have to get the work done, and it's not going to stop me from getting my stuff done. I basically just wanted to say, if you're feeling like you're in a little bit of a rut, or not as motivated all the time as you usually are, then that's, you know, something that we all are kind of going through. I always feel better after I get my stuff done, so this is just me saying get out there and get it finished regardless, but don't be afraid to cut yourself some slack too. So enough of me rambling. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update because obviously I'm still on prep and feeling like, you know, I'm making progress, but I could be doing more from in the gym. So I just wanted to tell you how I'm feeling basically and be transparent with you. So yeah, I'm still gonna go ahead and crush this workout, and check out my Instagram if you haven't already. Everything will be linked down below for you guys in the description box, and I hope you enjoy. great. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I am probably gonna do one more little at-home workout tomorrow, and then the rest of them will probably be back in the gym, so super excited for that. I do feel better now that I've worked out, and that's usually the way that it goes. So yeah, if you ever are feeling discouraged or anything like that, you can always send me a message on Instagram. I try to get back to people within like a day or two if I can, depending on how busy I am with work and stuff. But yeah, you can always reach out, comment on these videos, make sure you like, subscribe if you guys are enjoying this, and we will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.